coconut tree.
Hi, my name is Mina Ruaporo. I am the lead choreographer and tutor for Te Vara, Key Netherlands. There wasn't any sort of story behind it. Everybody that's been to my house or is around me most of the time knows that all the songs that are involved in our bracket are songs that I jam all the time at home. Like, I kid you not, I know it word for word, and the way that it made me feel, it kind of makes me feel happy. It's an entire vibe, and that's what I kind of wanted to bring to the stage. I wanted to bring something new because our style of ura for our piece is very modern, very contemporary, and it's not your average Cook Highlands item. And I guess that's what makes us so unique. Yeah, it was just something fun and something happy. I think the hardest part for me was sticking to one thing. Those that I've worked alongside or have danced alongside me know that when I choreo or create, I change things all the time. The type of artistic mind that I have, it just doesn't stop. It's just, when I can see that there can be more improvement or I want to add something more extravagant in the piece, I like to trial it, and if it works, I keep it. If it doesn't, we go back, but I'm always changing stuff. And that was the hardest thing, was trying to adapt my art to match everybody else, but also it still be me. But that was probably the biggest challenge. You can expect a whole lot of popping, locking, dropping. It's gonna be an absolute vibe, okay? It's gonna be an awesome show. Thank you so much for coming. And yeah, let's just do the absolute most. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Te Vara, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Te Vara!
Summertime got me singing like left, right, left, right, left, right. Pick up that we gone.